Wednesday, March 12, 2025. Focus. God relented. The Holy Father's intention for March is that broken families might discover the cure for their wounds through forgiveness. Forgiveness has the power to restore life to relationships, to persons. Stung by his evil-minded critics who asked for a sign, Jesus foretold his own death and resurrection, linking it to the sign of Jonah. The people thought death would be the end of Jesus. On the contrary, the cross traveled to the ends of the earth. And all through history, the most unlikely people have repented, just like the Ninevites. Although Jesus was sinless, he carried the weight of humanity's sins, and so his resurrection is a sign of God's powerful forgiveness. How willing God is to forgive. Jonah, the imitable Old Testament prophet, sent to preach to the Hebrews' worst enemies, was reluctant to offer them the chance of salvation. His sin cost them dear. At the point of death, he repented, and God forgave him, restoring him to life. Restore me to the joy of your salvation was Jonah's dramatic experience, a visible sign of the power of forgiveness. The sign of Jonah went well beyond his personal salvation. He found the courage to preach to the Ninevites, Assyrians, whose cruelty had destroyed all the neighboring countries. They listened and miraculously repented. God forgave them too. Fruit. Let us readily forgive and ask for forgiveness, restoring life to our relationships.